This is my unboxing of the Motif Duo breast pump. It came with this, which includes a bottle with nipples and the parts. It also comes with 3 different flange sizes. The 21 mm, 27 mm, and 24 mm. So it has 2 boxes of that. 3 flange sizes, and a nipple and a bottle in each box. Same thing here as well. So for each breast. And then you get this to connect everything together. You get this, which is the breast pump itself. It's very small, portable. This is my other one. This is the Ameda Mya, and this is the Motif Duo. Ameda Mya is lighter, Motif is a little more heavy. But they give you this thing to wear it around your neck, which I don't think I'll ever use because it's kind of heavy. Then you have the cord to charge it. And that's basically it, and some instruction manual in the box. So I'll do another review after I've used it to tell you how much I pumped using the Motif Duo compared with the Ameda Mya. Okay. Oh, and one more thing it came with is the pumping bra. I got this from insurance, so we got a pumping bra with it too. So that was pretty cool. Anyway, see you next time.